DJN TV.
Meet the real first wife of Prince Ned Nwoko. Hello my people, una welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, where we dey give una sharp stories and hot news as e dey drop. Sit back, relax, make we tell una the matter wey dey play. With the number of women wey Oga Prince Ned Nwoko don marry, e dey easy to mix up things. We go hear some people wey talk say, na im Moroccan wife na im be im first wife, lie Sharina Nwoko, but for really matter, no be she be the first wife o. Although the way Laila and Regina Daniel take dey popular for social media, e go dey make people dey feel say na only two wives na Oga Prince Ned Nwoko get, based on say Laila dey always dey post pictures, dey post videos about she and her husband. Regina Daniel sef dey do the same thing. Two of them just dey post for everywhere. But Oga Prince Ned Nwoko, e get illegal wife, the one wey be number one, wey law recognize say this one na im be im wife by law, based on they don do marriage, and na UK na the woman dey. So not be all those picture thing. The woman no dey like all those picture, we go call her, no dey like show my face, no dey wan show herself. The woman just like her private life, dey do her thing based on low key, based on say she know say her side there, e dey kampe, nothing dey happen, nothing dey shake her, nobody dey move her from where she dey. Nobody those what those people dey post Ned Nwoko up and down. She no get all those time. She just dey do wetin she dey do. She know say anytime when Prince join the ancestor, she knows say na she get everything based on the way the matter dey play. And that woman I wan introduce give una today too. Her name na Lily Nwoko, and na she be the official first wife of Prince Ned Nwoko. We go come to the way Prince Ned Nwoko take dey marry all these wives dem. But make we talk about Lily Nwoko. Lily Nwoko na barrister for UK. Like I don tell her before, she no like dey show herself, person wey get something for up there. She just dey like dey do her thing, dey do her job. She be lawyer like her husband, and she fine well. She fine well, she fair. By now, a lot of people say bros Ned Nwoko, he no dey like them black, he likes them fair. He fair well. Fine woman. She don get 2 children, although the first one don let go. But the second one still dey. Her name na Julia. Julia na be one of the children of Prince Ned Nwoko. In fact, na be official first pikin of Prince Ned Nwoko, wey draw the attention of people to her mama. When she post the mama picture, call dey write happy birthday to a wonderful mom, say I love you. And the way the matter dey play, so for God, so when Prince Ned Nwoko dey hold people hand for picture up and down, social media dey full everywhere. The way matter dey play, so they talk and say Prince Ned Nwoko, e no dey use the first wife dey play. No dey use her dey play at all. In fact, 2 of them don marry for over 20 years, and they still dey strong gidigba, nothing dey happen. Forget say don marry like 5 wife follow her. He no dey use Lily Nwoko dey play. In fact, almost all im most important property wey he get for this life, so he dey name them after his wife Lily Nwoko. He house, that a tourist center for a village, so na Lily house dem dey call am. That place wey they do wetin they call marriage. In fact, mo leave that matter first. So this Lily Nwoko na born the first 2 children, first son and first daughter. Forget say the first son don let go. The woman still get legal ground based on say na court marriage they do, and for court na only one wife they recognize. Every other one, or yours is your case. Now the matter they be. So make we come back to Prince Ned Nwoko and the way they marry a wives then. This one really come to play where we see the so-called traditional marriage picture and marriage videos of Prince Ned Nwoko and actress Regina Daniel. I know say some of them never reason the thing like that, but when we reason this thing way, that's what they do traditional marriage I no understand. People wey come from Ugboko, Udumeji, abeg make una clarify us on this issue because the matter e get as e dey do person for head. We know say dem dey do traditional marriage. The man and the people go dress, they go the woman side, go seek her hand, pay all the necessary things, do one or two things. I know say that time they deny, say no, I no dey follow Oga Ned Nwoko. Oga Ned Nwoko say no, Regina Daniel no get anything. But we just trip wey the whole thing just come to play like boy. These two people they marry you. The marriage will not understand the marriage because Oga Prince Ned Nwoko, first of all, the way he dressed that day, it be like who they go visit person. He just wear one shirt, wear one cap, like that, say na traditional marriage they do. And then number two, the traditional marriage sef na for a house they for do am. For this place wey they call Lily house. So remember I say Lily na her first wife. For this place they call Lily house, and they for do the so-called traditional marriage. We not understand because wetin Regina Daniel wear now all white bead. When they come, they explain, give us, they say, I not be marriage be that. That not be traditional marriage. That na initiation into the womanhood that be waiting. He carry her go swear juju say she no go do kukere waka. Based on saying he no say, I like what he don't even still talk. Affirm say, Regina Daniel say, he say go still marry other wives. And the fact say he get other wives, me say, he not able to stay with one or two at a time. That means say if he reach like sometimes 4 months, 5 months, he never even reach any of your wives their side. If he dey one side, the other 6, they just be 5, they just did the flute. So this thing when he carry Regina Daniel go do, not be really traditional marriage. So in case you dey see him for social media, not be traditional marriage, na initiation they do for you. So we never understand. You just they carry people, they go swear oath, they pay money. We don't understand. Then they do traditional marriage, then they do when he say be Muslim. We don't say Muslim, they get what they call a fatia, be waiting, how they call her for their religion. The guy they do their marriage, when they go mosque, they'll go do reception, they always do, and even no matter how many wives the man they marry, the man they always do this fatia for all of them. But we never see Oga Ned Nwoko when you do for anybody at all. Even the Regina Daniel, when you say nothing come out the eye, nothing come out the eye, he love her up and down. He not do anything like that for her. That means what people carry the young girl go do. Now juju you carry her go swear. Anyway, all this one I made Lily Nwoko not the shake because she know say she hold her side and she dey gidigba. Nobody they shake her because by law and she be number one. And number one, nobody do overtake number one for low side. Anyway, my people, now this one I will carry call give una today. How una see the matter? You know before saying that Lily Nwoko be Ned Nwoko first wife. Well, if you don't know before now, you don't know now. Oh yeah, drop your comment for comment section. I'll be your sister and girl. La will favor.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like her.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.